This eggless chocolate sponge cake is super moist and extra chocolatey with a slight gooey center, perfect for adding as a base ingredient for desserts. Hey everyone, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a very basic recipe of an eggless chocolate sponge cake. So I'm going to start by adding all the dry ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now give it a quick stir and keep it aside. So here I have butter, 1 cup at room temperature. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. Now I'm going to beat this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of full fat yogurt. So I'm going to combine the ingredients by beating it for another 1 minute. Now add all the dry ingredients. If there's too much dry flour sticking on the sides, just scrape it off and beat again till it's completely combined. So my batter is now ready. I have a 10-inch square cake tin. It's been greased with butter and dusted with flour. I'm going to pour the batter. Evenly spread it. I'm now going to bake this in a preheated oven for about 40 minutes at 180 degrees. The cake has been in the oven for about 45 minutes now. I've removed it. I'm just going to check whether it's ready or not. And the best way is to insert a toothpick and check whether it comes out clean or not. The cake is now baked. I'm going to transfer it on a cooling rack. Now I'm going to let the cake cool completely for about at least half an hour before I can use it. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.